Please don't watch this if you're a vegetarian or don't like seeing your meat being prepared. But these guys came back after a long, hard day's fight at sea, catching some tuna. And after their hard work, now they're going to reward themselves and others with a couple of steaks. Believe me, what this gentleman is doing now is no mean task. I mean, those knives are sharp. And that meat is really not easy to slice up. That's a professional job. Certainly not one that I'm capable of doing, but look at what ease he does it with. It's really quite amazing to watch him in person. This is not meant to be a tutorial, but my goodness, look at the guy. This is certainly an illustration in dexterity, control of that. And slicing that up, as I said, that's a tough job. And to get the best parts out, removing the unwanted parts, that's a yellowfin tuna. It's quite an art.